Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Umar from Tutorials Hub. Today we will be discussing about how to copy column and paste it in a different board in monday.com. So before we begin, consider donating to our channel. That will be highly appreciated. Now you cannot as such copy your columns and paste it, but you can move your boards, and that is alternative to your copy and pasting process. So what you're going to do is simply you can move your board by from one workspace to another by clicking on the three dots menu, and next to the board name pressing move to, and then move to workspace. Only the board owner and the admins of the account can move the boards to workspace that they are a part of. So this is the only alternative to that, and you cannot copy and paste as such of now 2024. Make sure to give it a try. This process will be working for you. So subscribe, donate using the link in the description if you find this video helpful, and stay tuned. See you guys around in the next video.